We are learning from our sources that Allu Arjun has said that he will fully cooperate with the officials and go through with the investigation, as the complete truth will be out and he has faith in the law. The police has also asked Allu Arjun if an ACP or DCP had approached him that night in the theatre, asking him to leave, informing him about the death of Revati. But during his interrogation, we're learning that he said that he learned about the death of that woman only the next day through the media, and he had no information, neither was told by the cops on the night of 4th of December. Let me cut across to Aneri joining us live on the broadcast. Aneri, please take us through the questions that were asked to Allu Arjun, how he answered them, and what is likely to happen next. We are learning that he could be summoned again.
Well, that's right, Suesha. When we happen to speak to some of our sources where they have stated that, they have said that Allu Arjun was asked near about 20 to 25 questions, and he has replied to all of them without any hesitation. And also at the same time, some of the important questions, that was asked to Allu Arjun during the grilling and during the questioning, which went on yesterday for almost 4 hours. Allu Arjun was asked that when did he know about the incident that took place, and also the police officials asked that did he know or did any of the ACP or DCP had approached him at the theatre. Then Allu Arjun very clearly stated that no one had approached him, whereas his manager had come and informed him that because you came here there was a stampede like situation, and while you leave also there could be a possibility of such similar incident, and that is the reason why he left within 3 minutes of informing by the manager of Allu Arjun itself. And also at the same time he says that he did not know about the incident that took place. He got to know about it the next day, and immediately he had spoken to his team and also extended the support to the family of the victim. But also one of the important questions that the police has asked him is about the bouncer's role, because remember, police has been pushing on and has been pointing out that the bouncers who were present there had pushed the crowd inside, and which led to the situation where the situation exaggerated is what the police officials have been stating. And that's the reason why the police has also asked Allu Arjun that whether he had hired these bouncers. So Allu Arjun said that no, he had not hired these bouncers, whereas it was the exhibitor and Maitri movie makers who were the ones who had arranged these bouncers at the Sandhya Theatre on the 4th of December. And also at the same time, remember how earlier 2 days back we had seen that the police officials had arrested bouncer Anthony. Well, bouncer Anthony is said to be the head of one of the agencies of the bouncers company, and now we'll have to see what exactly turns out to be, and further investigation what comes out, because these are the exclusive details which we have access through our sources, where also Allu Arjun was told that if required there would be further investigation. So Allu Arjun replied saying yes, he will completely cooperate with the investigation. There will be as he respects law, because remember earlier also Allu Arjun had given the statement that he has full faith in law, and he will cooperate with the investigation is what Allu Arjun has replied. So definitely a lot of things which are coming to light when we talk about this particular incident which had taken place on 4th of December. On one side we see that where the CCTV shows that how Revati was brought out of the Sandhya Theatre at around 9:16 p.m. in the evening that day, and also at the same time how the crowd was seen pushing inside the theatre.